Good morning ladies, time for another card. This week it's a box pleat card. So I'm going to show you some examples. I know you've already had the measurements sent to you and there is some scoring to be done. So if you want to do it beforehand you can do. That's an example of the landscape card with the box pleat fold here. And this is an example of the portrait. Once again the box pleat fold here. I'm trying this week to coordinate the colours of the card to the papers, as you can see. Right, let's get started then. Right, so you should have your main card, which is 22 by 16, and we're going to score that down the middle, 11 centimetres, and give it a nice burnish on the fold. First job done. Now you should have a contrast colour. I've chosen the pink because I wanted to use the pink gingham, so that can go to one side. Now we're going to lay this on here. So we're going to score this at 2.5, 3.5, 5.5, 6.5, 9.5, 10.5, 12.5, 13.5, 16.5, 17.5, 19.5 and 20.5. Okay, so that's that finished with. So let's do the fold. So starting from this end, it's a mounting fold and then a valley fold. Then this side, mounting fold, then a valley fold. And continue in the same way. Making sure you give it a good score all the way along. Now that is slightly, very slightly out, but what I'm going to do is attach this first, then trim up if necessary. So the way I've done this is I've used my snail again because I am lazy. And I've just done that on the parts that are going to be attached on here. I'm going to carefully attach that. Okay, and then trim up more this side than that side. Okay. Now I'm going to use the double-sided tape at the top, just slightly overhang, because we're going to use that to attach our ribbon. Now I've used the thicker ribbon, you can use whatever you've got in the house. I'm just going to attach that to that side, making sure that it just slightly overlaps, like so. And then the same this side. Making sure that they're level. Bring that in. And then I'm going to tie a knot. For those of you that hate doing bows, you could always just wrap the ribbon around and then do a bow separately. That's up to you. There you go. So that's the first part. Now we're going to attach this to the main card. You'll notice that I'm using the double-sided tape and not my snail for this because we've got the ribbon on. And it needs to stick to both. Okay. Good. And then line that up nicely. Making sure your tabs are all out. Seems okay. Take away double-sided tape. And there you go. Now what I'd used on this one is I used a die for a happy birthday, oval die and an oval scallop die. So I'm just going to attach that to that. Like so. And then I'm going to use my glue to attach the greeting. Okay, that's going to go there, like so. And then the pads. And I've got a few butterflies that I wanted to use as well, so they're there. Foam pad on that one. And I'll put that there. Foam pad on that one. And I think I'll put him there, like so, and then I've got this other little one here. Which I think I'm going to put just in there. And then a few. Normally you'd glue these down, but just for the purposes of the video I'm just going to stick them on. There you go. And then I've used some pearls. I just wanted to highlight a few little details there. You don't have to use them. Thought it made a difference. And there you are. There's your finished card. Right ladies, I hope you enjoyed that little card, the box pleat card. Next week we're going to do a kind of a pop-up stand-up card. And I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out yet, but I'll have fun practicing. So I'll see you all next week. Bye, stay safe.